Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with some more pantry goings-ons and what's happenings update. And where am I today? Well, I'm still in the kitchen, in the kitchen area, across from the stove, in a cabinet that's underneath the sink part. I mean, not the sink, that's counter over here by the sink. And I'm utilizing more of this space because I got rid of a lot of old pans because we had got some new pots and pans. So now, under this cabinet, when I went in here to clean, I should say declutter, organize, rotate, inventory, and all that good stuff, I discovered I have like 3 bottles of the Food for Less butter served. I have a Mrs. Buttersworth. I have a bottle of Log Cabin. I got some other syrup. I got a big gallon of syrup I had got from Sam's Club. So we got a few bottles of syrup I see up under here. And also I want to mention, I keep writing, I don't even know if y'all seeing my comments at all, and that would be pretty messed up. I keep telling you guys that my comment is a glitch on my comments. I don't know if it's also included on my channel, but I know when I go to you all's channel and leave comments, they seem to be disappearing. I don't know. It's a glitch again happening. So I have to respond to you on my channel when you come and comment to me. It might be working on my channel where I can respond to you, and I'll respond on my channel, on my channels, crafting, gardening, grocery, especially on my grocery channel. I'll be responding to you guys that I was over on your channel and I checked out your video, which I'm checking out on the TV anyway, and I just needed to come online and leave a comment or a thumbs up or something. But I want to let y'all know, please notify YouTube and let them know that you don't see my comments on your channel, so they can quickly take care of this glitch, fix the issue. Thank you so much if you do decide to help me out. I appreciate it. But yeah, I'm doing my daily scheduled maintenance chores where I declutter, organize, rotate, do inventory, which is the biggest deal of all. Counting your inventory of your goods in the pantry. That's the biggest part to me, besides the rotating. Because you gotta count all the canned goods, which that's what I'm working on. I just share with you how much syrup I have. The jelly, I might got like about 5 jars of jelly, a variety of jelly. Ketchup, I might got like about 8 of those. But the big thing of doing this is gonna be with the canned goods, because I got different corn, fruit, canned fruit. I got different kinds of canned fruit, different kinds of tomatoes in the canned tomato stuff, like, you know, like paste or stewed. Then I got I have different kinds of canned beans and stuff like that. So that's going to be the biggest challenge. Y'all see my rustic cabinets where they're chipped, banged up, rough looking. Some people like this old stuff, but hey, who am I to judge? This is what it's looking like over here, so hey. Oh, hold up, y'all, hold up. I gotta put it in work, hold up. Well, when you come on here, you're gonna get criticized and people gonna talk about you. I once made a video cleaning the floor and someone noticed that the wall was chipped up, and they kind of like in the writing appeared to be saying with a harshness, why don't you paint and, you know, do this and that. Like, folks will come on and start saying stuff. They need to just mind their business, but if they enjoy your content, they'll keep coming back fussing and so forth. So don't let it bother you. Just carry on and keep doing you. Like, somebody gonna come here and say, oh, your cabinets are filthy, or they need painting or so forth, and I'm not letting that bother me. That's all right. They observed something, they shared their opinion, and that's it. That's all they can do. All right, folks gonna be folks. They'll just talk about anything, everybody, and all. So be prepared with your content creator. Don't get in your feelings when you come over here on your channel. Don't get in your feelings. Stay, you know, all about your business, what you doing, what you making your video about. Like I'm telling y'all, I'm doing my daily schedule pantry chores. It's a struggle. It's a challenge. Definitely a challenge, like I told you with the inventory. So I don't have that many salad dressings, but I'm just saying the majority of my stuff is canned goods. Now I got some sauces, but not as much as the canned goods. Then I told y'all about the pasta. Over here in this cabinet is where I'm thinking about moving the pasta. Is in this lower cabinet down here, and putting all the canned goods on the shelf, and some of my pots and pans over there. I got a couple of more cabinets lower cabinets next to the stove that I need to go in there, and I know I got a lot of appliances, kitchen appliances and stuff like that, but I got to go in there and go through that stuff and see what's what. And then also on the kitchen cabinets, I got some stuff in the cabinets that I need to go through and declutter, you know, stuff that I forgot was there and so forth and so forth. So most of y'all know what this is like. You put something in the shelf and you forget it's there. You just go through your cabinets and declutter, organize, rotate, whatever. Put all the old in the front and all the new in the back. That's the rotation, so that you can make sure you're using your product. And definitely don't get stuff that nobody gonna eat. A lot of, or not at all. So that's how you do that. So I'm pretty satisfied with what we have. Like my mail, I see folks be getting like 12 mayonnaise. I don't go through mayonnaise that fast, but I do go through it. So I got maybe like maybe two or three backup mayonnaises. I like to make, you know, what I use mayonnaise for, but I could never go through that many mayonnaises in time. But I do love me some mayonnaise and ketchup and mustard. Yes, I do. But yeah, I'm just coming through sharing with y'all. I know y'all staring at this cabinet for a longer while. I tell y'all what's going on. See that jar down there? That's an old fish container product that I repurposed and put my cornmeal in there. I got several cornmeal containers and all that stuff. I got some dishes down here, some new dishes that I'm gonna keep down here on this shelf. I got well, like I said, I'm gonna move my pasta over here. And hold up, putting it work, hold up. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.